and climate change. So basically, that is the background to this initiative, but I want to say a very big thank you for allowing us into your banking halls. It has been an amazing experience. So far we have been to 17 organizations. We started off with the regulators, by the way, except for Bank of Uganda, that's going to be the grand finale. But we started off at UIBFS, we went to the UBA, then the UBA went to the Deposit Protection Fund, and DPF went to the Insurance Association. The Insurance Association went to the Regulatory Authority, then we went to UMRA. Basically, we've been 17 of us that have already gotten into this. So it's amazing that we started off outside of banking and we got some very good results. The big announcement. So far we have got 37 million shillings. We started off thinking that we would be doing a minimum of 1 million shillings each entity. And this money is not coming from the entities themselves. This is to our media people. This money is coming from the staff themselves. So they were painfully going through the process of putting money into this box. And we've generated a number of benefits. Apart from the money generated, we have had some people talk about their experience. I know that in our case, we actually started a savings scheme. You can't believe it, we didn't have. We actually do have not a retirement benefits, but we have a gratuity scheme. So that is okay. And we contribute to that, the institute contributes. But this time around we said, no, the staff also need to do something, and we are excited about it. I know so many of you have your individual stories. So far that's the benefit that we have had out of this, and we shall be continuing with it. So today it's officially to basically announce the nomination process for the winners of the beneficiaries of the money we have collected. Before we get to that point, allow me to invite Tilda from the Bank of Uganda. Please introduce yourself.
And I am in the marketing department. We were thrilled when we were asked to take part in this challenge, mainly because we wanted our own staff to be a part of it, because we had the struggle during COVID where our own staff, had financial challenges. So we were actually thrilled when we took on this challenge, and I must tell you that everyone is actually looking forward to the next challenge.